If you want to learn Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023 Act, which is going to replace Indian Evidence Act effective July 1st, 2024, then this video is for you. It's a quick walkthrough on how to install it on your smartphone using Google Play Store. So you can start by opening a Play Store app, search for Law app. Once you find that information, click on the Law app, which is developed by Rachit Technology. You can find a lot of information related to this act. Learn civil law, criminal law, contract law, various rules, regulation. This app allows you to learn acts offline as well as with the help of a lot of features. So click on install. Once the app is installed, click on open. Click on start. Select any country. Now for this demo we are going to select India. Now you can access the popular acts, trending acts from the home page of the app, or you can click on select act to search for a specific act, law or regulation that you are looking information for. So now let's select from the home screen. So let's click on Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. Once you do that, it's going to download the information from our secure server onto your phone. Once you download it, you can access all this information offline. You don't need to have any internet connection to read the complete act. So once the act is opened, you can click on a specific part, click on a specific chapter. Let's click on short title, application and commencement. Once you do that, it will ask you to select the audio feature. You can select any information or any accent that you are looking for. For this demo, let's try to select English India. So you can read the act here, change the font size based on your requirement. You can click on play audio to listen to this section.
1. This act may be called the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam 2023. 2. It applies to all judicial proceedings in or before any court, including courts martial, but not to affidavits presented to any court or officer, nor to proceedings before an arbitrator. 3. It shall come into force on such date as the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, appoint.
You can click on the next arrow to go to the next section, click on the previous arrow to read the previous section. Always you can use the font size anytime. Click on add favorite, click on audio again.
1. In this Adhiniyam, unless the context otherwise requires, a court includes all judges and magistrates, and all persons, except arbitrators, legally authorized to take evidence. B. Conclusive proof means when one fact is declared by this Adhiniyam to be conclusive proof of another, the court shall, on proof of the one fact, regard the other as proved, and
So rest of the video is quick walkthrough on various features, search, changing the theme, and using other functionality. You can search within the section as well as you can search in the complete act, or you can also use search feature to search for a specific act name. So this completes the video. You can download the app on Google Play Store or Apple Store, or even you can download the app on Windows desktop. Thank you.